NIFTY at 24,092, rupees 7 rallied 0.81%, and one stock quietly led the move. Data from NSE today. In 6 minutes you'll know why the market moved and what to watch tomorrow. NIFTY opened at 23,945 rupees 45, hit a high of 24,130 rupees 7, and a low of 23,936 rupees 2, closing at the day SLTP 24,092 rupees 7, up from a previous close of 23,897 rupees 95. The index sits 8.5% below its 52-week high of 26,373 rupees 2, set 54 sessions ago, and well above the 52-week low 22,182 rupees 55. Technicals are mixed. RSI at 52.8 reads neutral, neither overheated nor oversold, while the short-term trend shows momentum to the upside, since EMA9 at 24,104 rupees is above EMA20 at 23,951 rupees. Volume showed normal activity versus the 20-day average, listed as 0-20-day AVG, so today's move wasn't driven by a spike in turnover. Key levels to watch. Near-term resistance is 24,401 rupees, and immediate support sits at 24,096 rupees. Put simply, the trend is modestly bullish, but momentum is not extreme, so keep an eye on whether the index can clear 24,401 rupees convincingly or slip back below 24,096 rupees. Now let us look at the individual names that mattered today. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries opened at 1625 rupees 0 and closed at an LTP of 1733 rupees 5, jumping 6.98% on the day after an intraday high of 1766 rupees 9 and a low of 1621 rupees 9. Previous close was 1620 rupees 4. That surge is striking given this stock still trades about 5.9% below its 52-week high of 1843 rupees 0, set 29 sessions ago. The technical picture shows RSI at 60.5 still neutral, but warming up, while EMA9 at 1682 rupees remains below EMA20 at 1698. Rupees indicating the short-term moving averages, Haven T fully flipped bullish despite the spike. Volume was 7.09, the 20-day average, which suggests strong institutional conviction behind today's move rather than just retail noise. The key observation to watch tomorrow is whether Sun Pharmaceutical Industries can hold above support near 1741 rupees. If it does, that would be a visible sign buyers are defending recent gains. That sets us up nicely for the finance names we'll cover next. JIOFIN Financial Services opened at 247 rupees 1 and finished at an LTP of 253 rupees 64, up 3.22%, with a high of 254 rupees 7 and a low of 247 rupees 02. Previous close was 245 rupees 73. The notable data point: the stock recorded a 20-day closing high breakout price discovery territory and is still about 7.5% below its 52-week high of 338 rupees 07, set 49 sessions ago. Technicals show RSI at 66.1, edging toward overbought territory but not extreme, while EMA9 at 244 rupees sits above EMA20 at 242 rupees, a short-term bullish signal supporting the breakout. Volume was broadly normal at 0.95, the 20-day average, so this wasn't a heavy volume blow-off. Instead, it looks like steady participation. The key level to watch tomorrow is resistance around 255 rupees and immediate support at 238 rupees. Watch how the stock behaves near 255 rupees after the 20-day breakout. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Transitioning now to a tech name that diverged from the broader market. TechM Mahindra Limited opened at 1362 rupees 9 and closed at an LTP of 1396 rupees 1, up 2.77%, trading between a low of 1360 rupees 2 and a high of 1400 rupees 5. Previous close was 1358 rupees 5. Despite the positive close, The moving averages show a bearish crossover. EMA9 at 1434 rupees has just crossed below EMA20 at 1437 rupees, signaling short-term selling pressure. RSI sits at 38.8, still neutral but nearer the lower band, which means momentum is tilted to the downside rather than showing strength. Volume was normal at 0.63, the 20-day average, so today's uptick didn't come with big participation. The immediate observation to track tomorrow is whether Tech Mahindra can reclaim the resistance zone around 1405 rupees. Failing to do so while EMA9 stays below EMA20 would keep the short-term bias cautious. Keep in mind this is educational analysis, not a recommendation. With those three names covered, here's the concise wrap. Today's theme was selective strength inside a cautiously positive NIFTY. Broad index momentum nudged higher, while individual stocks showed very different technical stories. Top 2 things to watch tomorrow. First, whether NIFTY clears resistance at 24,401 rupees or retreats below support at 24,096 rupees. Second, stock-level confirmations Sun Pharmaceutical's ability to hold near 1741 rupees and JIOFIN Financial Services behavior around 255 rupees after its 20-day breakout. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which stock is on your watch list, and subscribe for the weekly Saturday market outlook. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.